Good morning. So we are again here to discuss future and option, new techniques. Today I am giving you a very good technique. Suppose on any day there is a okay movement in the Sensex or Nifty. Now you want to go for option trading. Then what should be the simple and straight method? So do one thing, just go to bacindia.com, see the sectors there, which sector is the strongest and which is the weakest sector, and I am going to see the sector, markets, then indices, index watch. Actually in many videos I am repeating the same thing because it should be in a daily practice. You see, metal is on the up and bank is down. So what can I do? In metal sector I am going to see the options. Which is the better option? Yeah, so this is the metal sector. I am clicking this. There are some stocks in which options are having a good volume. So Tata Steel will be there, Hindalco will be there. It may be Sisagua. And Bankex, this is the weakest sector today. So what would I do? I'll buy the call of Tata Steel, the most active call of Tata Steel, dearest call of Tata Steel. Before that, I'll check the number of buyers and sellers in that. And if market is going up, then I'll see the possibilities in call only. But there should be a caution, there should be a hedging. So to hedge the market risk, what I will do, I can buy one put in banking sector. It may be SBI, it may be ICICI or any other bank which is showing the volume. But if right now we don't see that market is supposed to go down, then we are not buying the put right now. We have bought the call in metal sector. Okay, we have bought the call of Tata Steel, put the stop loss there. But in case of put in banking sector, we are having a stop loss buying above the high. In case if market goes down, then only we need to buy the put in banking sector. If market is going up, then we are in call only, and call is going up. So you are getting a direct profit without any confusion. Now the metal sector is open. See the script price movement there, and you can choose the commodity from there. There are 7 advances and 3 declines. Total 10 scripts are there in this index, metal index, and their price movement. I am seeing all the details. Which sector is, which stock is strongest, which is not performing. We will see all the things here. So you can use this technique with cash also. Suppose I don't trade in option and I am going for cash market. Then what would I do? Suppose after 1:30, when European market opens at 1:55, means at 1:54 I can make the position. I'll see which sector is the strongest, and we saw the metal is up and the banking is down. So you are not interested in options and you are not having that much capital, and you are very defensive trader, then I suggest you to go for cash equity. Buy JSW Steel because it is better in cash. You just buy 20 or 30 shares, 20-30 shares. Suppose I am buying 30 shares and I am taking the stop loss of 1 to 2%. So suppose I am taking the stop loss of 10 rupees, 30 share, 10 rupees stop loss means 300 rupees risk, and sell any banking stock. You can sell SBI and you can sell ICICI. Sell it, keep the stop loss of 1%. If SBI is a bigger share in terms of price, then we can hedge 30 JSW Steel because it is costing 700-800 range, and if I am going for SBI, it is running in 1600-1700 range, then I will take only 15. I will sell only 15 shares of SBI, State Bank of India, only 15 shares with 20 rupees stop loss. So it is a balanced hedging. Now you can see here what is performing the maximum. Just see in terms of percentage first, not in terms of net change. In terms of net change, the Tata Steel is the most performing, but in case of percentage, that is Hindustan Zinc, Hind Zinc, 4.4%, then 3.41%, then 2.14% JSW Steel, and some Coal India is not performing, it is in minus. NMDC is not performing, it is in minus. So always there are some scrips or shares in any indices which are not running with the indices. So you should have all this in memory. If you are observing the market daily, then there will be all the stocks will be ready in the memory. Whenever someone is telling metal, you should recall what is in metal. Hindalco, Tata Steel, Coal India. If someone is telling banking, SBI, PNB, Axis, ICICI. Okay. So in this way, I told you to go for this technique. Now come to NIC and you can choose the option chain from here. So see Tata Steel, Tata Steel, Tata Steel Limited. I clicked here and this is the option chain. We can see here that call of 320 is 9 rupees, call of 315 is 11 rupees, call of 325 is just see here, have the look, 9, 6, 5. If I am having less capital, I can do one thing, buy the call of this 5,000 or 5,500 rupees and leave it. We can go for the combination also. So I will discuss the combination later. So if I am buying the 5 rupees call, then I will buy the 5 rupees put or 4 rupees put there. So that put will be of 290. So 290 and 330 will be the combination. Okay, thank you very much.